Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw an apple. For this drawing, we will need a black, green, and red colored pencils. This drawing is 21 squares high and 20 squares wide. Let's start by skipping 9 squares from top to bottom. In the 10th squares, we will mark 5 vertically with black color. Up to the right, 2 vertically. Up to the right, 1. Up to the right, 2 horizontally. Up to the right, 1. Down to the right, 1. Down to the right, 3 horizontally. Up to the right, 4 vertically. At the level of the square up, to the right, 2 vertically. At the level of the square up, to the right, 2 vertically. From this square, up to the left, 3 vertically. At the level of the square up, to the right, 3 horizontally. Down to the right, 2 diagonally. From this square to the right, 1. Up to the right, 3 horizontally. Down to the right, 2 horizontally. Down to the right, 1. Down to the right, 2 vertically. Down to the right, 5 vertically. From this square down to the right, 2 vertically. Down to the right, 2 vertically. Down to the right, 2 diagonally. Down to the right, 4 horizontally. Up to the right 2 horizontally. Down to the right 4 horizontally. Up to the right 2 diagonally. Up to the right 2 vertically. Up to the right 2 vertically. And now let's color each of the square we marked. Remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell to be part of the Pixeler Club. Now let's take the green color and paint the leafy part. We continue with the red color and mark these 5 vertically. On the left line, let's mark these 3 vertically. On the left line, now let's mark these 2 vertically. At the level of the square up, to the left 3 horizontally. From this square, down 1. Down to the left 1. Down to the right 2 horizontally. Down to the right 5 vertically. Down to the left 1. Down to the right 1. Up to the right 2 diagonally. Here we mark 1. Now we mark these 2 vertically. Now let's paint all the squares we marked and also the rest of our apple. In the top corner, I leave the link to my pixel art drawing channel in Spanish, where there are hundreds of subtitles drawing. And here is our drawing for today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like, and if you made it this far, comment with apple emojis. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here in a new video. I send you a huge hug full of lots of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!